Yes, he just wanted to
wrapping paper.
Well, he didn't chew on anything, but he wanted the paper. I don't bite that off.
I don't want to block Connie with you.
I just nibble.
You can bring the chair right over here. Had you thought about that?
No. Well, I
Bring
didn't
it
want to be
right
in
over.
the middle.
No, you won't be in the middle of the way. That way you can see good. You want me to move it for you? Sure?
No.
That's like the paper.
Darn thing.
Beep beep at him.
Here.
Have a beep.
Give me that thing. Can you get it here?
He's recording.
Ridiculous. Oh. Thank you.
Oh, look, Bear.
My goodness.
Oh.
Is it a
Oh,
trap?
how cute.
What is
It's
that?
a horse.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it has a little flubby thing.
Here,
on
Bear,
the
look.
front. Oh, happy. Look how
I'm recording all this.
cute.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
I mean, I can stop and actually take a picture if you want me to.
See this?
She's gonna be all over the place in that.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that, Bear.
Say, I'll be traveling.
That
We'll be
bow
going
is
on
stuck
great
to her back,
adventures.
Jen.
Yeah, I put it there.
How pretty.
Yes, I know. Mama's fans are coming off. It's your present.
Okay, I love the horse.
For documentation purposes, this is the very first present that she's ever had on her.
Opened ever.
Yeah, opened ever.
First wrapping paper.
Yeah.
First bow.
First
The paper is far more entertaining to her at this point,
Yes.
but we.
Mm-hmm.
I think, is it taped there?
Yeah.
So it's stuck? No, I mean on her hand. I wondered if she's...
Oh, no. She's got a
Yeah.
She wants that.
It's stuck to her head.
I think
But I love to see when they get it stuck to their hand and they're trying to... I think that's funny.
Should I wait and put them together later and just open all that?
Yeah, I think maybe.
Sure.
Because she just looks like she wants in it.
Well, she knows it's her.
Yeah, she does.
Oh, but there's the paper. There's the very entertaining paper.
There's some right there.
You off to the side.
Connie keeps these ones.
Babe, are you ready?
Take them.
Okay, get in there. Hot pink on
I like hers.
Okay, take
Don't
it.
they look comfortable?
All right, hold on.
No, you can keep recording.